Welcome to today's exciting tech update. FIIO has unveiled its groundbreaking BTR-17, a revolutionary pocket-sized headphone amplifier that promises desktop-level power and performance. And that all for an affordable $199. At the heart of the BTR-17 is Qualcomm's flagship QCC5181 Bluetooth chip, supporting Bluetooth 5.4 and offering CD quality sound with aptX lossless technology. This compact device boasts impressive features, including dual flagship headphone amplification, delivering a powerful output of 650 milliwatts in desktop mode. The BTR-17 is designed for versatility, featuring 3-position switch for seamless transitions between PC, Bluetooth and phone modes. It comes equipped with a dedicated desktop mode, allowing you to connect an external power supply for those power-hungry headphones. No battery drain on your device. What's more, the user-friendly 10-band high-precision PEQ lets you customize your audio experience like never before. With support for high-resolution audio formats and a sleek, ergonomic design, the BTR-17 is not just functional, but a pleasure to use. Available now in striking black and blue, the FIIO BTR-17 is set to elevate your audio experience to new heights. Don't miss out on this incredible device that combines cutting-edge technology with portability. Stay tuned for more updates in our nice and exciting world of audio technology. Have a great day!